Here we go, traders. We got First Solar. Oh, what a great one it is. Yeah, everybody knows by that $220 call, we finally got a pop. We've had a rough go of it. Let's take a look at the First Solar chart, which is right here. This is it. We had nothing but a sell down in First Solar. It would never bounce. And we were buying right above the 150-day, but we got stopped out 3 or 4 different times going long. But here we got the big pop when we bought it right there. And we exited at the high. Right now it's struggling up here. That is a high. We're looking at buying dips when it comes back down toward that 220. That will be another ideal entry, and we'll go with that. We'll look at the 240 put. If a resistance holds, then we know if it's going to go down, then we have to trade that side of the market. We don't know 100%, other than we exited and we're looking at buying to go long. We like the solar industry. We always have. We've been trading this for the last 20 years. Listen, it's a great stock. It's a great company. Buy the dip, sell the rip.